Improving controller drift in Valorant can enhance your gaming experience and performance. Follow these steps to reduce or eliminate drift issues. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure your controller settings in Valorant are correctly configured. Go to the settings menu and adjust sensitivity, dead zones, and other relevant options to find what works best for you. Step 2. Clean your controller. Dirt and debris can cause drift. Carefully clean your controller, especially around the analog sticks, using compressed air or a soft cloth to remove any buildup that may be affecting performance. Step 3. Adjust dead zones. In the controller settings, adjust the dead zone settings. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate minor drift issues by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any available firmware updates. Manufacturers often release updates that could fix bugs and improve performance, including issues related to drifts. Step 5. Test on different devices. If possible, test your controller on different devices or games to determine if the drift issue is specific to Valorant or if it persists across other platforms. This can help identify whether the problem lies with the controller itself. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in controller drift while playing Valorant. Regular maintenance and adjustments can keep your gaming experience smooth and enjoyable.